Hey y'all, it's Nicole at King Gap Creatives, and today's video is like the third take, or not the third take, but yeah, kinda. Nothing's working out today. I wanted to talk to you about 3D lettering, and if you remember a few weeks ago, we did this basket weave tutorial, and you can tell that the vine on here is 3D. I picked that up at Walmart. So recently, I got a laser cutter, and I decided that I wanted to do some 3D letters. So I made this whole long video today of how I made this little sign with the 3D hello. And I mean, we went into details. We painted flowers. We did all this. And it's saying I don't have enough storage on my device to download the video, and y'all, I'm not real techie, so I don't know what to do about it. So I just want to show you another example of some letters that I did like for a bigger sign on my new laser cutter. And next week we're actually going to apply some of this. I'm going to make some 3D flowers to go on there too. But I just wanted to put this up here this week just to let you know kind of what we're working on. And that's not the only thing. Let me show you Lola, since this is such a brief video. But I've also been working on Lola. Look at this bovine bombshell. Isn't she cute? I got her, I got the template through Southern Adornments, and they have some really cute stuff. So we are going to be doing some things. It's just not going to be this week because, frankly, nothing is going right. Nothing. So, anyway, as promised, here's some good ways to do some 3D letters on your signs. Last week we talked about hand lettering. If you don't want to do that, glue on letters is the way to go. So, anyway, y'all, next week's going to be better. I promise. But in the meantime, thank you for watching, and I hope you get to do something creative and fun that makes your heart happy, and we'll see you later.